Yo ho ho, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be coming at you with your weekly maintenance of a inflatable hot tub. I've had a hot tub up for 1 week. Now it's time to maintain, and if you don't do this, you're going to get disgusting water. But let's get on into it. The first step, you want to turn off your pump, turn off the circulation. It's going to be this button right there. I'm not going to click it because it will turn on. Grab your filter. It's going to be the one on the bottom. Grab that on off. I'm just going to go set that right on in here. Pop this on off. That on off. Take this on off. This is after 1 week. And we shower off before we get in, so it's gonna look just like that. Put that to the side, forget about it. I'll show you how to clean it in another video, but I recommend before the season starts, buy like 12 filters. I'm gonna go grab a new one, have a new filter. I'll show you how to clean this in another video. It will be on my channel. Check it out if you wish to know how to clean these. But pop a new one on in, take this, put this on up. There's a hair. I'm just gonna take that, screw your cap back on. There you go. On in here, reach on in there. Wow, my arm was cold. Now it's really, really, really hot. Okay, screw that on in. And there we go. Now we got the filter on in. Next step is gonna be take off the outlet, inlet, outlet. Is that what it is? And just check on your bromine tabs in here. Pop this on off, see what it's looking like. If it's still a pretty good sized puck, you can leave it. It's still a pretty good sized puck. And I'm gonna put another one in just in case, because sometimes these pucks are really slow dissolving. I'll put another one on. And they say not to touch these, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go put another another puck on in there. Get this on sealed on up. I might need to crush it a little bit. It's hard to do it with one finger, one hand, not one finger. Could you imagine? And get that sealed on up, close it on off, and we'll get this put right back into the hot tub. And then you're gonna want to screw this right onto the top, not too tight, or you will get an air coat up there. If you get the air coat EO2, you know it's too tight. Then we got the filter changed. We got a new puck of bromine into our outlet. I do this once a week. Remember, once a week. Alrighty. Next step is going to be non-chlorine shock. We're going to put some non-chlorine shock. And after that, you're going to want to sit open for... We'll get into that. I'm getting ahead of myself. When it comes to the last step, you want non-chlorine shock. Chlorine-free shock, non-chlorine shock, same thing. This is a 250-gallon hot tub that I do have. It has the measurements on there, but I just need 2 tablespoons of this non-chlorine shock, and you're just going to want to sprinkle it onto your hot tub with 2 scoops of this. I'm going to put the 2 scoops on and just sprinkle it on up top. It's hard to do a recording with one hand, but I'm going to sprinkle that in. I'll show you the after effects. Got that stinking fly in my hot tub. But we'll get into it. And after you got your 2 scoops in, you're going to want to come on over to your pump and just turn it on. Get the water circulating again. And you don't want to touch the water to go into it. Put the cover on for 15 to 20 minutes. But to get it all mixed up, all the non-chlorine shock you just put in. Just run the bubbles for a little bit. Doesn't have to be a really long time, just like a minute, maybe 2 minutes of running the bubbles. And yeah, that is gonna be it for today. And after 2 minutes, turn the bubbles off, let this sit, cover off for 15-20 minutes. Not a necessity, but it's a good thing when you're putting chemicals into the pool, because they're gonna be rising and it's gonna deteriorate the top of your cover. So especially with chlorine shock, don't put chlorine in your hot tub. Bromine, remember it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Comment section below. Apart from that, appreciate you.